Hi, welcome to the Forest Pathology on YouTube channel at NC State. I'm Said Mashahid, a graduate student in plant pathology, and we're here on Centennial campus to look at the Fusiform Rust disease on pine. That disease is a fungal disease caused by Cronartium, Fusiform specialis, Fusiform. And that disease, that fungus has two different hosts, oak and pine. And on pine, the disease starts when the basidiospores land on the young needles, germinate, penetrate, and invade the needle, causing the needle necrosis. And then it continues to grow into the older woody tissue, and it forms later it forms spindle galls, or the fusiform galls. And as you see, that disease could kill that branch and also can continue growing and kill the whole tree. 2 years from the infection, the first signs could start, which is the spermagonia with spermatia and receptive hyphae. The spermatia are golden droplets which fertilizes the receptive hyphae and form the next sign 1 year later, which is the achia with achiospores. And that we can see him here, some of that which looks yellowish to orange. These are airborne spores. They are air transmitted from pine to oak to form the two other stages in the life cycle, and develop the basidiospores, which is the primary inoculum that repeats the life cycle. And the control for that disease, if you have a tree that is already got the disease, pruning branches would be a good idea, but it has to be at least 12 inches from the main trunk to be effective. Otherwise, the fungal tissue will have made it to that older tissue, and that could have been a good control method with that branch, for example. But in this case, there is no way to get that out of that trunk without cutting it all out. So it's better to get your resistant pine trees in the first place if you're planting some, and if not, make sure you don't wait a lot until the disease gets into the main trunk. And thank you so much for joining us, and you can watch other videos in this series on the Forest Pathology YouTube channel